In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI step by step, even if you're completely new to it. Leonardo AI is a powerful creative tool that lets you generate images, videos, 3D assets, and audio content from simple prompts, and once you understand the basics, it becomes incredibly easy to use. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and go to the Workspace. Once you're inside, you'll see the main menu at the top or along the side, depending on your layout. From there, choose the type of content you want to create. You can click on Image, Video, 3D, or Audio, depending on your project. If you want to create a picture, choose Image. If you want motion content, choose Video. If you're working on a 3D asset, select 3D. And if you're experimenting with sound, go with Audio. After that, choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI usually gives you different models for different styles and results, so this step matters. Some models are better for realistic images, while others are better for artistic, cinematic, or highly stylized outputs. Take a moment to explore the model options and pick the one that best matches the type of result you want. Next, find the text prompt bar. This is the area where you tell Leonardo AI what you want it to create. Your prompt is basically the instruction you give the tool, so the clearer and more detailed you are, the better your results will be. For example, instead of typing something short like a dog, you could type something more specific like a golden retriever sitting in a sunny park, realistic style, soft lighting, high detail. The more descriptive your prompt is, the more control you have over the final output. If you want to guide the AI even further, you can upload an image reference. To do that, click the Upload button and select the photo from your PC. This is really useful if you already have a visual idea in mind and want Leonardo AI to use that image as inspiration or guidance. Uploading a reference image can help you match a pose, style, composition, or general look much more accurately. Once your prompt is ready and your reference image is uploaded if needed, it's time for the final step. Click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your result. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the model you selected, it may take a few moments to process. When the result appears, review it carefully and see if it matches what you had in mind. If it doesn't come out exactly how you wanted, don't worry, that's completely normal. You can refine your prompt, adjust the model, upload a different reference image, or try again with slightly more detail. A lot of great AI results come from small improvements and a few test runs, so don't be afraid to experiment. And that's the basic process for how to use Leonardo AI. Open the Workspace, choose your content type, select a model, enter your prompt. Upload a reference image if needed, and click Generate. That's really all it takes to get started. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.